A local bridge that's been closed for months now is back open. 13 News reporter Savannah Young explains how state officials say they were able to fast-track the project and get traffic moving again.
The West Virginia Department of Highways tells us back in August, Governor Morrisey had asked them to focus on their bridge program, along with Secretary Rumbaugh, who wanted them to focus on smaller, aging bridges. During a routine inspection of the Rutledge Road Bridge, it was determined that it needed to close for safety reasons. They started a process of planning, getting the permits, and ordering steel. The bridge was rebuilt by the WVDOH district forces and took them from August to November to get the supplies and finish the project.
We're not going to put vehicles on a bridge that's unsafe, and so it was a minor detour, but we were glad that we could expedite and lay down the asphalt, put in the, not in this order, put in the steel, lay down the asphalt, and put in the guardrails today to be able to open that up for them.
The WVDOH tells us the bridge is now open for drivers and that it opened back up ahead of their anticipated schedule. Now folks who travel that road will find it easier to get around. Live in the studio, Savannah Young, 13 News.